To WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Tropical Storm Ida, which has winds of 65 miles per hour. But before we do, take a look at the gospel message in the description. Anyway, let's get right into this forecast. Right now you're looking at Tropical Storm Ida on satellite imagery, and what strikes me the most about this storm is I want you to look at the low temperatures in Ida. We're seeing lowest cloud top temperatures around -80 Celsius. And now what this means is that Ida is strengthening. And also from the satellite imagery, you can see that Ida is looking very, very strong for a tropical storm. So it's likely we're going to be seeing a hurricane on Cuban landfall. I'd say it would be safe to bet we'll be seeing winds around 85 miles per hour on the Cuban landfall and a Category 3, possibly more, on the U.S. landfall. Now let's bring you to the spaghetti models. And the striking thing about these spaghetti models is take a look at how compact the track line is. We have a very, I'd say a higher level of certainty on the official track of this storm. It's likely we're going to be seeing a landfall in Louisiana with only a little bit of uncertainty as Ida moves inland. And when we have these models this close together, as you know, it's likely we'll be seeing that landfall. Anyway, Ida is going to be moving through a little bit of wind shear right now, but I don't think that'll cause much weakening, if any. And Ida is going to soon be moving into the Gulf where there is pretty much no wind shear. In the next 24 hours, when Ida will be moving into the Gulf, we're going to be seeing Ida move in to an area where there is decreasing wind shear. And when there's less wind shear, hurricanes can strengthen more. Take a look at the water temperatures where Ida is going to be moving through. Extremely high water temperature. So the higher the water temperature, the more likely we could see some quick intensification. Category 3 is likely, with one model predicting a Category 4, though I do think a mid-range to weak Category 4 is possible on landfall. Now, take a look at this rainfall. This is a big issue. Around New Orleans, 15 to 20 inches, over a foot of rain with Ida. So extreme amounts of rain, and this could lead to flash flooding. Right now, there's only a moderate chance of flash flooding for New Orleans, though I do believe that will be upgraded to a 50% chance, a high percent chance of flash flooding. Anyway, let's take a look at what you're going to be seeing as far as wind speed chances. Around a 90% chance of tropical storm force winds, 40 to 50% chance of hurricane force winds, though I do believe that will also be upgraded. Now, the problem with Ida is we're going to be seeing around 7 to 11 feet of storm surge for portions of Louisiana, Lake Pontchartrain around 4 to 6 feet, Mobile Bay 3 to 5 feet, and Sabine Pass around 2 to 4 feet. These are all places I mentioned with my Hurricane Laura forecast. So all these places, we're going to be seeing 2 to possibly 11 feet of storm surge, so very dangerous storm surge. Right now, there's a hurricane watch and a tropical storm watch from Louisiana to Alabama, and a hurricane warning around Havana, and a tropical storm warning for other portions of Cuba. So, as you can see, the official track is bringing this to a major hurricane. So, if you're in the area, please evacuate for this storm. You'll have around till Saturday, 8 p.m. before those tropical storm force winds arrive. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Stay safe and evacuate.